guys, and welcome to my vlog. Today is the start of my fall break for my junior year of college, and I'm actually in a brand new location. In case you guys have been following along on my videos recently since this past summer, you know that my family is actually in the process of moving, and I'm going to be spending my fall break at my parents' new house, which is where I'm at right now, and I'm gonna be moving into my new room, getting everything set up here. Yesterday I actually took the train back home from Milwaukee, and I stopped by my parents' old house, the house where I grew up, with my mom, just grab a few things, and it was definitely really weird to see it so empty, walking into my old bedroom and just seeing no furniture in there and it being really dark was definitely weird. And just for context, my parents only moved an hour away, and I'm still going to be going back to my hometown a lot to visit with high school friends. But the reason my parents had to move was because this was closer to their jobs, because both of them were commuting kind of a ridiculous amount to get to work. So living here at the new house, it's easier for them to travel to work. They don't have to spend as long in the car. So now that I've been talking for a little while, I thought that it would be fun to do a little mini version of a new house tour. It's not necessarily an empty house tour. We're half moved in. Most of our stuff is at the new house, but it's practically all in boxes. My parents got the floor redone as well as all the walls painted, and they bought it from an older woman, and so there's definitely a lot of updates that still need to be done. Moving in has kind of been a little bit of a process, but I'm just going to give you guys a sneak preview of the house. But then I'm mostly going to be moving into my room, getting my closet set up and everything, and that's going to be the majority of this video. So this is the front door of the house, and I was just chatting with you guys from this room. We don't really know what we're going to do with the space yet, but as of right now, it has a couch. And then this is the kitchen, and the last room I'm going to show you guys before heading upstairs is the dining room. Anyways, we're going to make our way up the stairs right now. From where I'm standing on the top landing, there are 1, 2, and 3 bedrooms, but I'm only going to be showing you guys my bedroom because my parents have been using the other 2 for sleeping here since they're not moved into their master yet, and they're just storing things in the other 2 bedrooms, so I don't want to invade their privacy. But I am going to show you guys my new room. So it's really messy right now, but when you walk in, this is essentially the space. I've kept all my old furniture from my other bedroom, and the reason I actually chose this room out of all of them was because of this little bench at the window, and I don't have blinds yet, but I got a view of our backyard. And then, hello, I also have a walk-in closet, which is very exciting, but I have a ton of unpacking to do. So we're about to go through all of these bags and boxes and get to work. After filming all those time lapses earlier, my camera ended up dying, but it is now much later. It's dark out, and I pretty much finished my closet. I'm not in love with how everything is organized, but I'm just happy that it's all put away, and it's also shown me that I have so many sweaters. I'm literally not allowed to buy any more sweaters at all this like winter season because I just need to be cut off. But this is kind of what my closet looks like, and my dresser, I've put everything away in here. T-shirts, long sleeves, a lot of stuff is empty because it's at school. And then I also put away the stuff in my new bathroom, which, I mean, this is what it looks like. 2 sinks, lots of storage options underneath, and like a closet. And then this is kind of like the shower toilet situation. We still have to hang my shower curtain because it just was not sticking earlier, which is why it's on the ground. But I've essentially just put all of my bathroom stuff away under this sink, and I've also put makeup items away in here. But anyways, my mom just got back home and we had dinner, and now we're gonna go to Target and Home Depot to get blinds. And then also I need to just pick up some stuff from Target as well. So let's go shopping. It is now the next day, and after coming back from the store last night, I pretty much just hung out with my parents, but I thought it would be fun to do a little bit of like a Target haul of what I got. So I just laid everything out. The first thing I got, which I'm so excited about, is this fall candle in this little like pumpkin jar. Oh my gosh, I can't get the lid off. But it smells really good, and after the candle is finished burning, I can reuse the container, which I'm very excited about. And then I was on the hunt for a pair of simple nude heels, and all of my coworkers and sorority sisters told me to check out Target, and I found the perfect pair. They're like, I don't know, I want to say like a 1.5-inch heel with just a strap around the ankle and the toes, and it was exactly what I was looking for. And then other than that, I just ended up getting shaving cream, lotion, and clear nail polish. So always an exciting time when we go to Target. Anyways, I'm starting this portion of today's vlog pretty late in the afternoon again, but just like a recap of what I've done today was mostly a lot of computer stuff. I had some YouTube's work to catch up on and also some things to take care of for my sorority, but I also cleared out a bunch of the stuff I had listed on Poshmark. These are all the clothes that are currently on my Poshmark, and Poshmark is not sponsoring this video, but guys, I legitimately have like an online store being run out of the house. So what I ended up doing today was that I went through everything that I had here and I took out a ton of items. So there was even more when I started this process, and I kind of just removed them from my Poshmark store. They were things that I assumed weren't going to sell. They weren't being liked and shared by other people, and they were kind of just getting dust and a waste of space in this place. So I pulled all of those items out to take to donate, and then I also listed a few new items of like some more recent clothing pieces that I just won't be wearing anymore. So if you're interested in checking out my Poshmark, I have a ton of stuff, so it's linked in the bio, or no, it's linked in the description. Make sure to check it out. It's not sponsored in any way. I'm pretty sure it has some kind of like discount code as well down there. Anyways, my plans for this afternoon and tonight are actually to drive back to my hometown. I'm gonna be hanging out with some high school friends. We're seeing a movie, getting pizza, and then I'm going to be spending the night at our old house. We still have some furniture left over there, so I am going to have a bed to sleep on tonight. It'll just be weird to be over there by myself, but I'm going to grab all of my bags and head out the door to go meet up with my friends. All right, well, fast forward to Sunday afternoon, because I didn't end up getting any clips when I hung out with my friends since I was just so in the moment I forgot to pull out my camera. Anyways, yesterday was Saturday and my family and I were kind of going back and forth from our new house to our old house, moving stuff, putting things in boxes, packing our cars full. So I didn't end up vlogging anything yesterday, and now we have made one final trip to the old house, and guys, it is absolutely empty in here. We rented a U-Haul and had some of our family help us pack up all the big furniture, and I don't think I've ever looked more like sweaty and gross and dusty and no makeup on camera. So it's really just a whole look going on right now. Because this is going to be probably my last time in this house, I thought it would be really special. Oh my god, I'm tearing up. I thought it would be really special if I did like an empty house tour to show you guys this place. And now I'm getting emotional. So excuse the mess because we are moving out, but I'm currently standing in our old like family and living room. It's a pretty open floor plan. That was where our dining table was, the doors to our backyard, and our kitchen, which was recently renovated. But yeah, we've emptied out all the rooms and everything is really just as empty as can be, but this is my old bathroom. It didn't used to look like this. If you guys remember from my really old videos, this actually used to be green, but we also recently like renovated this place so that it could be easier to sell the house. But over here was my parents' master bedroom, completely empty, as well as their bathroom. And then there was my room, which is really weird to see without any furniture in it. This was the only bedroom that I have ever known since this was the only place I've ever lived, and so I'm definitely going to miss this room and its purple walls. But that is going to be it for this empty house tour, this fall vlog. I know it was a really like randomly put together video, but it was exactly what my fall break consisted of, was moving from one place to another, and I'm really happy for my parents, happy that they can now live closer to their jobs, they don't have to commute as much, and it's really just an exciting time, but also a sad time because I am going to miss this place. But that is going to be all for this video. I will see you guys next time when I'm back on campus for the second half of my semester of junior year. And I'm going to say one final goodbye before I head back to Milwaukee to start school again tomorrow. So I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!